I'm saying Oz with C. You never fool me, and if you try to stop me, you will see who it will be. You see, you can be free like me. Just lean over to the side and you will start feeling. I will try to show you what truth really is, cause I've been finding my own, and I think the clue is you never had one, cause you are only focusing on the bad ones. But I'm here to tell you that people are people. I'm here to try to make it equal for you and me to live together like we are free flying sequels. But I'm stepping up my game, and you should do it too, cause it will only benefit your future you. So I'm introducing you to a brand new world, where everybody gets a chance and get love in return, cause we are doing this together. Don't tell me just whatever, do not give up before you start. It's the key that matters. I know it's hard, but I'm trying harder to be the better me, cause I wasn't when I first started. I'm living up my targets. Listen to my words when I'm telling you to make your plan, read it by the wrist and bring it right down. Create your own level, don't go around and grind someone else's gravel. Listen to my words, we are in this together. We share the same glow, we're in the same show. And if you go, love will follow you. And if you go, love will follow. We share the same glow, we're in the same show.